So this video is about bear put calendar spread. We have a bear expectation and we want to make our spread or our option play a little cheaper than a naked bear put. So under normal circumstances, if we had a lot of money to spend or waste, we could just buy a put option and wait our bear expectations come to fruit and collect our profits. But having a naked put is expensive, so we want to make it cheaper. With a vertical put, we could just write another put against it at a little lower strike price and then make it cheaper. But with a horizontal spread, a calendar spread, or a time spread, we are actually buying a put option at a longer period of time, and then we are writing a put option against it for a shorter period of time. So rather than changing our strike price with a vertical, with a horizontal, we're basically just changing a maturity date. So if I were to draw this, let's have a red one for a longer maturity. So today is a Sunday, so this was leftover from Friday's closing, 28.74. So let's go with 28.20. If I could get it around 20, maybe we should just make it bigger. Oops. So let's go to 28, something like, all right, that's good enough. So we go for 2 Fridays from today, and we're going to go for 28.20, close enough. And notice this is our long put option. We have a bear expectation, and let's look at that. By the way, you can find this discussion on my website, researchata.com, for the bear put calendar spread. So that's the bear put calendar spread. Let's go to Yahoo Finance to see the price for this one. So we're going to go for May 1st, and we will go for put options at 28.20. So the put options 28.20 is, whoa, that is expensive. So let's set this up on a spreadsheet. So long put, this is a bear expectation with a put. So our strike price will be 28.20, and then price will be 56.50, and then the cost will be this times 100. That's a lot of money. So this is how much we are paying. Because this is a lot of money, and this is maturity 5 May 1st, 2020, we're going to go with a short put just to make it cheaper. But this time, again, with the same strike price. Now remember, with a vertical, we simply went with a lower strike price just to make it cheaper for the same maturity. With a horizontal spread, with a calendar spread or a time spread, we go for a shorter maturity. So in this case, I'm going to go with April 24th, just for the sake of the lecture. And we are going to go with a put option of 28.20, the same strike price, and 28.20. And then the price this time is 33.40. And the cost will be this much. And this is for 27.20. So if you look at the total, this is how much we are paying, and this is how much we're collecting. So the cost is now down to $2,310. Now, again, with a vertical spread, we simply actually wrote the short put against the long put at a lower strike price, but a same maturity. With a horizontal spread, all we really are doing is we want to have a bear position because we have bear expectations. We want to buy a long put and we want to make it cheaper. And instead of setting it up vertical on the same maturity, we are setting it up horizontal at a shorter maturity. So this time we are writing the put at the same strike price with a lower price, and therefore we are getting some of our money back. And that actually lowers down our cost from $5,650 down to $2,310. So if you were to draw this on the chart, then we would actually have a second line. Let's make this blue this time. This time, this is going to be just 1 week. And I'm going to carry this as close on, well, it's supposed to be on top, but I want to leave it so that the colors are visible. So notice the long put has 2 weeks of maturity, therefore it's very expensive. And then we're writing a short put at the same strike price with a shorter maturity, just to make our bear play cheaper. So this is an example of a bear put calendar spread, and that's about it. So please let me know if you have any questions, and this kind of concludes our video. Thank you.